how to make Google Docs table. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a table in Google Docs. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to Google Drive. Sign in with your email and password if you're not already logged in. Once you're in, open the document where you want to insert a table or simply create a new one. Now, at the top menu bar, click on Insert. From the drop-down, hover over Table. You'll see a grid appear where you can select the number of rows and columns you want. Just drag across the grid and click when you've chosen the size, and instantly, a table will appear in your document. Once your table is in place, you can type directly into the cells. If you need more rows or columns later, simply right-click on the table and choose Insert Row or Insert Column. You can also customize the look of your table by going to Table Properties. Here, you can change the border color, thickness, and even the background color of individual cells to match your style. And that's it. That's all for the video.